Hello, this is Simon Klein from TradeSmart at 4:25 a.m. Eastern Time on the 22nd of April 2015. We are going to continue our discussion of the dollar using the dollar index futures, the DX, to try and figure out where the dollar is likely to go next. Okay, if we look at the monthly chart, we see we're after quite a number of months up into a supply zone. So if we look at this alone, the odds of continuing higher are lower. Why? Because we're after a number of moves up already, okay? And we're in a supply zone. So we could potentially move down from here. But on the other hand, the direction of price is still up, which puts the odds of it continuing moving up higher. So we have one against the other. What's likely to happen next? So let's move down to the weekly chart, okay? We see we're still in an uptrend on the weekly chart, and the current price direction is up. But at the end of this week, if the direction changes to down and we fail to make a new high here, this might be hinting to potentially this is the high in the dollar and we might end up with a move down. Okay, and we've got quite a void below in which the dollar can move down. Okay, that's another option. Alternatively, the market may continue just to go sideways. Okay, so let's now take a look at the daily chart. We see we have a move higher here to make new highs. Okay, we made a higher high here, a higher low here. The current price direction is up, and maybe we're going to go higher. Okay, but this move higher made a high above here, but didn't make a new high, a new global high above here. Okay, so we're still confined by this supply zone over here. Now, since we're after quite a number of months up into a supply zone, then this structure over here is happening in the supply zone. Okay, it's not happening in the demand zone on the bigger time frame. So this may fail. Now, if at the end of the day the market over here produces a lower high and the price direction changes to down, this might be indicating that the dollar is likely to move down. Okay, if this fails to continue moving higher. This is what the market is trying to figure out at the moment. Are we going to continue higher? Or is this a top for the dollar for the time being and we're going to go lower? Or we're still undecided and we're going to chop around up and down and go sideways. These are the three options. And how to play them, well, we'll have to leave that for another time. Anyway, that's all for now. This is Simon Klein from TradeSmart. Good luck with your trading.